In this video, you will learn how to import existing datasets from Excel into qTest. Sometimes you'll have already created and structured your datasets in Microsoft Excel. In this case, recreating them from scratch in qTest would be time-consuming and redundant. To save effort and time, you can import your datasets directly from Excel. This function is particularly useful, especially for more complex datasets. Importing datasets is strongly advised when working in distributed environments where datasets are updated regularly. It can reduce working time and the possibility of errors. Before importing datasets from Microsoft Excel, please verify that your .xls or .xlsx file follows the format provided in the template. Okay, now let's import the dataset. First, access qTest parameters. Then click on the Datasets tab at the top of the screen. Then, on the Datasets tab, click the Import button. To access the template, click on the Template Here link on the Import Datasets dialog. Select the projects to import the datasets to. By default, the datasets will be imported to all of your qTest projects. To change the projects that the datasets should be imported to, click the Projects button. A list appears where you can select the projects that the datasets should be imported to. Click OK to save your selections. The next step is to drag and drop your Excel file to the blue File Upload box. You can also click here to pick from a folder link to upload a file from your computer. When the file is uploaded, the file name appears in the blue File Upload box. If some parameters are already inactive or archived in the system, select the Skip Inactive or Archive Parameters checkbox so they are not imported. Click Import. Now you can close the Import Datasets result dialog. That is how you import datasets from Excel into qTest. Thank you for watching.